Imagine an iPhone that doesn't just upgrade, it rewrites the rules. According to multiple leaks, the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are shaping up to be Apple's most radical smartphones in years. With a 2 nanometers A20 chip, serious on-device, AI, next-gen cameras, and even whispers of full 5G satellite connectivity. If Apple delivers, the iPhone 18 series could reset expectations for what a phone can do. Let's start with timing. In 2026, Apple is rumored to roll out a staggered launch, Pro and Pro Max in September, followed later by the standard iPhone 18 models, and possibly a new, more affordable Air variant. It's a smart two-phase strategy that lets Apple dominate headlines twice, prioritize the most advanced components for the Pro lineup, and navigate supply bottlenecks for cutting-edge chips and camera modules. At the heart of this lineup is the A20 chip, reportedly built on TSMC's next-generation 2 nanometers process. Early chatter points to around 15% better efficiency and cooler thermals compared to the A19. But the real story is AI. The A20 is expected to feature a dramatically more powerful neural engine designed for on-device language models, instant photo and video enhancement, and complex AI tasks that previously belonged on desktops. Think real-time translation without the cloud, lightning-fast scene recognition in the camera, and smarter assistance that understands context while keeping your data private. Powering all that intelligence is another major shift. 12 gigabytes of RAM rumored across the entire iPhone 18 family, not just the Pros. That memory jump unlocks buttery multitasking, richer AR experiences, faster on-device editing, and larger AI models that respond immediately. It's not just about speed, it's about turning the iPhone into a portable AI computer. Connectivity is where the iPhone 18 Pro could get truly disruptive. Leaks mention a new C2 modem for faster, more efficient cellular performance, Wi-Fi 7 for dramatically higher throughput and lower latency, and a next-gen Bluetooth standard with better range and power efficiency for accessories. Wi-Fi 7 alone can be up to 4 times faster than Wi-Fi 6, with multi-link operation and wider channels for rock-solid stability. That means smoother gaming, instant AirDrop-style transfers, and more reliable smart home performance without killing your battery. And then there's the moonshot rumor, full 5G satellite connectivity. Reports suggest Apple may partner with networks like Starlink to deliver near-global coverage, not just for emergency SOS, but potentially for actual browsing, streaming, and video calling far beyond cellular range. Imagine FaceTiming from the middle of the ocean, a remote desert, or a high-altitude trek. Technical and regulatory hurdles are real, but if Apple pulls it off, it could reshape how carriers and coverage work worldwide. Design-wise, the iPhone 18 Pro may introduce a translucent frosted glass backclean, futuristic, and subtly revealing the internal architecture. It's not just for looks. Apple is rumored to showcase a refined vapor chamber cooling system, building on the stainless steel vapor chamber from the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The goal? Better heat management during heavy loads like 8K video capture, console gaming, and AI-driven processing without throttling or discomfort. Cameras are getting a serious rework. The iPhone 18 Pro is expected to feature a 48MP main sensor with a variable aperture, letting the phone emulate DSLR-style depth control and adapt to tricky lighting in real time. A 64MP periscope telephoto could bring up to 10x optical zoom with cleaner detail and less noise. The headline grabber, though, is the iPhone 18 Pro Max, rumored to jump to a 200MP stack sensor. That could mean extreme detail for cropping, superior low-light performance, and new levels of computational photography. Think smarter HDR, cleaner night shots, and tighter subject isolation. Combine that with AI power processing, and you're looking at mobile images that challenge. Dedicated cameras and everyday use. The display is also due for a major glow-up. Expect a smaller dynamic island, possibly inching toward a punch hole. Aesthetic with under-display Face ID on the horizon. Peak brightness could exceed 3,400 nits, making it one of the brightest smartphone panels available. Translation: better outdoor visibility, richer HDR highlights, and stunning clarity for gaming and AR. Pair that brightness with Apple's color, accuracy, and high refresh rates, and the iPhone 18 screen becomes as immersive as it is functional. All this ties into software. With the A20 and 12 gigabytes RAM, Apple is poised to lean hard into on-device AI. Picture live transcription and translation that work offline. Summaries of your notes and emails, smarter Siri-style assistants that actually understands context, and photo-video editing that lets you relight a scene, remove objects, or enhance detail in seconds without sending data to the cloud. In the camera, AI could intelligently separate subjects, reduce noise, refine skin tones, and deliver natural bokeh that rivals larger sensors. It's the kind of practical AI that makes the phone feel faster, more personal, and more private. Pricing remains speculative, but the pattern is clear. Pro models will likely stay premium, while the staggered rollout could make the standard iPhone 18 and any possible Air model more attainable. The strategy consolidates Apple's grip on the high end while expanding reach in mid-tier segments. And because so many upgrades, 12 gigabytes RAM, AI features, and display improvements may extend beyond the Pro line, even the base models could offer serious value. Zooming out, the iPhone 18 looks like a strategic reset built around 4 pillars: AI-first experiences, resilient global connectivity, pro-grade imaging, and immersive displays. The translucent design and vapor chamber cooling signal confidence in sustained performance. The A20 on a 2nm node signals a bet on efficiency and thermal headroom. Wi-Fi 7, a next-gen modem, and potential satellite internet hint at a future where coverage is almost everywhere. And the camera's stacked variable aperture, periscope zoom, and a possible 200MP sensor pushes mobile photography into new territory. If even a portion of these leaks land, the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max could represent Apple's biggest leap in a decade. This isn't about another yearly spec bump. It's about redefining how a smartphone connects, creates, and computes. Whether it's the near punch-hole display with under-screen Face ID, the 200MP imaging powerhouse, or truly global connectivity, the iPhone 18 is positioned at the center of a smartphone revolution, and it might just rewrite the rulebook for everyone else.